Online tire replacement claims are easy and fast as well. From the home page, click Start a Replacement Claim. Select your dealer code. Notice at the bottom, labor cost, tire disposal, and tax pre-populate. Type in your first name, your return authorization email, the last 6 numbers of the VIN number, customer's last name, your repair order number, vehicle mileage, the location of the damaged tire, and the tread depth. Select the type of damage the tire has, the part number of the tire, and MSRP.
I'm still trying to read through this and see where it's specifically.
Now you have to select a picture of the tire damage. Mine is stored on my desktop. Insert it. Now at the bottom of the page you'll see parts, labor, tax, and a total. Just remember this is an estimated total depending on contract limitations and MSRP of the tire. Click the submit button and you're finished. After submitting your tire replacement claim, give us about 15 minutes and we'll email you your authorization number.